than Joey's backyard here at the Stockton Asparagus Festival. History will be made. 1 pound plates of deep fried asparagus, thick cut spears, top to bottom, have been weighed meticulously. We're up at 5 a.m. calibrating the scales. Ladies and gentlemen, the ram eating champion of the world, the grilled cheese eating champion of the world, the kolache eating champion of the world, the burrito eating champion of the world, the hot dog eating champion of the world, the deep fried asparagus eating champion of the world, the legend by dad, and the hero by night, number 1 ranked Joey Chestnut! 2, 1, begin it!
Go, man! Go, man! Go, man!
We are on at the 26th annual Deep Fried Asparagus Eating World Championship. Adrian is coming from Louisiana, and he is going hard, ladies and gentlemen. Matt Stonie is on his second place. This is his first ever competition. Joey did not take a look back. Joey took a look back to see where he is. He likes to know where he is. Matt Stonie's at 3. Matt Stonie is at 3. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matt Stonie's coming out party here from Major League Eating. He hears the music.
Come on, big break!
Joey's on his 7th place. World record place, ladies and gentlemen. He's put down the cup. He's gonna try it. It's gonna go to the scale to see if we get a championship, a world record. Winning $500, the medal, and the respect of the entire competitive eating world in his debut here at the Major League Eating table. Please give it up for the megatone, Matt Stonie! 6 pounds, 12 ounces. In second place with 7 pounds, 3.5 ounces. From Chicago, Illinois, number 2, deep dish pop Bertoletti. Your 2009 champ. Valiant effort. Wow, John, you are a brave man shaking those hands. Brave.